In this video, I will show you how to pay Atome via Gcash. So we have in here our Atome app. So if you have it, you can see in here the due amount that you have. Just click on the pay now option. Then from in there, you can see this bills payment. You can click on this amount to pay, click on this change option. And in order to do that, just choose the InstaPay option, which is the bank transfer via InstaPay. Just copy the account number as well as the account name. Now, once you have copied that, head over right here to your Gcash. Then just click on this Pay Bills option. After that, click on this Payment Solutions, or you can also just search in here for credit cards. Then on the payment solution, just search in here for Atome and then just input the account number and an account name that has been provided to you, which is this one. And then just pay the amount and then just click on next, and it should be able to send it to them by clicking on this confirm option, and you will now be paid. So that's how you pay Atome via Gcash. Hope you help.